Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve user retention with Zendesk. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To improve user retention with Zendesk, start by analyzing user behavior data. Log in to your Zendesk account. Navigate to the Analytics dashboard. Review engagement metrics to identify patterns in user activity. Set up user segments based on engagement levels. Focus on high-risk segments who may not be returning. Implement targeted communication strategies for these segments. Utilize triggers to send personalized emails to inactive users. Create relevant content that addresses their previous interactions. Consider offering incentives or promotions to re-engage these users. Next, enhance your customer support process. Utilize Zendesk's ticketing system to promptly respond to user inquiries. Set up automated responses for frequently asked questions. Ensure your support team provides consistent and helpful information. Monitor support interaction metrics to assess satisfaction rates. Encourage users to provide feedback on their support experience. Integrate surveys into your support tickets for real-time insights. Use this feedback to improve your services and resolve pain points. Next, leverage the knowledge base. Create a comprehensive FAQ section that addresses common user issues. Ensure that your knowledge base is easily accessible for users. Regularly update the content to reflect changes and improvements. Promote the knowledge base as a self-service option for users. Additionally, improve your onboarding process. Guide new users through features using tutorial messages. Consider video walkthroughs for more complex functionalities. Engage users with tips and tricks that enhance their experience. Lastly, monitor and iterate on your strategies. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.